All right, here we go. Made something cool. We got power coming into the base of the switch, the press button switch, and then hopping out into the positive rail. So for the positive rail, I have positive coming in to pin 8. Positive coming into pin 8. I also having that hop over to pin 4. Positive into pin 4. Then I have positive going through this 1K ohm resistor, and that is hopping from there into pin 7. Then I also have it going through that same resistor, then through a 10K resistor, and that's hopping over to pin 6. Pin 6 is also hopping over to pin 4. Or, pardon me, pin 6 is also pin 7, nope, pin 6 is also hopping over to pin 2. That's what I meant to say. That's pin 2 right there. And then pin 6 is also hopping through this capacitor. I believe it's a 330 microfarad capacitor right there. We'll double check that as well. And then that all boils down to my output, which is pin 3. Pin 3 is right there. So pin 3's output lands into this guy. This guy heads over to this relay, and it's connected to the coil, to the negative side of the coil, and then coming out of that negative side of the coil is into the positive side of the coil. On the relay, we have negative coming in to the line, and then out to the poles. Pole number 1 goes out through this 560K ohm resistor into the green LED, and then pole number 2 is going through this same 560 ohm resistor and into the red LED. So when I turn this on, it'll energize the timer. Timer's output will oscillate on and off, which will charge and de-energize the coil, or energize the coil, de-energize the coil, switching these switches between closed and open in converse of each other. So power will be going through one, then the other, and turning off and on just the same. So here we're going to hit our switch. And there we go, and that clicking sound you hear is the relay energizing, de-energizing, flipping those switches. So cool. If I was only in the mechatronics class, Jesse would be happy.